I just really want to say thank you, okay? Thank you for everybody who watches these videos, and especially thank you for my subscribers. The last time I looked, I think I had 21 subscribers. So anywhere you are around the world, I really do want to thank you for watching these videos. It does mean a lot to me.
Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So I made that video back in 2016 when I had just 21 subscribers. If you did want to see the original video, I will leave in the description area below. And if you are brand new to my channel, I do these types of videos often randomly, but I want to do this because I want to show and express my gratitude for everybody who subscribes and support my channel. And normally I use a format where I first want to thank my older supporters and subscribers and then talk about the new ones as well. And so the first person I want to thank is Carl Mitterfeld. The second person is George Trappist, then Viper29 Gaming, Villain Millennium, Remo Incerno, and 21K Patriot. A lot of these people have been there pretty much since the beginning of my channel. And now some of the new people I want to thank are Grampy's Workshop, Talkative Tech, Arthur Reader, Telco, and Tubby Grade. Now, a lot of these people who subscribe to my channel, they are also content creators as well. And I'll talk more about their channels later on because I do appreciate other creators supporting my channel when I want to support their channel as well. And so that is it for today's thank you and gratitude for everybody who comes to this channel and supports this geek community. If you had any thoughts, or maybe you are also a new subscriber as well, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.